today I thought we might play a game together, and the game is to turn on your listening ears and wait and listen for the sound of the animal. So you need to be able to guess which animal is coming from which noise. Okay, are you ready? Here comes the first one for you. Did you hear that noise? Shall we try that again? Okay. I wonder if you guessed the right noise for the animal. This time it was our ape. Hello ape, can you show us that noise again? Okay, that's our ape. So next I've got a few more for you to try. Okay, ready? So here comes your next animal noise. Let's see if you can guess this one right too. Oh, that was a loud noise. Shall we hear that again? Oh, I wonder what this animal could be. Let's hear it one more time, shall we? Did you guess right? That noise came from our elephant. Let's hear it again, elephant. I wondered if you got that one right too. Okay, we're going to try the next one. Here comes your next animal noise. Are you ready? Oh, that was a loud noise. Should we hear it again? Oh, do you think you might know this one? Did you guess right? That's the lion. Well done, everybody. If you get that right, well done. So the next sound that I've got for you can also make two sounds. So one sound might sound like this. You try. Good. Okay, the other sound this animal might make could be and what do you think it could be? Shall we have a look? It's the snake. The rattlesnake. Very good, everyone. So here comes your next animal noise. Get ready. Are you listening? You think you might know this one? Let's hear it again. Did you guess right? It's the monkey. Well done if you did. Okay, I've got one more sound for you. You're doing really well. Are you ready for your last sound? What could it be? Let's hear it again. I wonder if you got it right. Shall we see? Of course, it's the frog. Well done, everybody. Brilliant. Thank you all so much for watching and joining in with our game today. So if you would like to play this game again, I'm going to add the game at the bottom of this page for you to click on and test out your animal sounds, okay? All right, I'll speak to you soon. Bye.